It's early morning on a farm back in 1924. We've been working. We've got a bunch of chickies and turkeys, guinea birds, ducks. Been working on the Model T. The kitty cat knows all about the Model T. We have to put a cover over it because it's going to rain. The chickies and the duckies and the guinea birds, I just let them out of the chicken coop and gave them some food, some grain, talking to them. I went in the chicken coop and I got out some eggs. We got duck eggs, we got chicken eggs, we might even have some guinea bird eggs. I got coffee brewing. Coffee's brewing in the house. There's the duckies. The duckies are fun to watch. It's like the Three Stooges. Larry, Curly, and Moe. I need to go make me some breakfast. I wonder what I'm gonna have for breakfast. I just can't make up my mind.